Hello YouTube, and today is a transformerless electronic transformer thing. Yeah, but that didn't go well. So this is a halogen driver. So you've got a kitchen fixture with them G4 bulbs in, halogen bulbs, and this is kaput. So AC in, 12 volts meant to come out. There is no 12 volts out. Nothing obviously wrong with it. No big skid marks or blown caps or anything. So as there's not a lot on here, we'll just go around and just measure some components, check the diodes, and see what we can make out. For instance, checking a diode, 0.6 volt, 0.5 volt, that is good. Great, check another thing. So we just go around the board, checking all the parts, because there's not a lot on here. That won't take long to do. So I spent a bit of time doing that and measuring across this transistor, and this is a PNP transistor. It's reading 0.1 ohms. So that's not right. This is across the emitter and the collector. And the same if I measure across this one as well. I'm getting the same reading. The same 0.1 ohms, or 1.1 ohm. So them transistors appear to be short across their output. So you've got your emitter, your base pins in the middle on these, I believe. So I can suspect they are kaput. So I'm going to desolder them and just double check. So it's been desoldered and my device has been removed. And if I measure across it now, I can't do this one-handed. It's open circuit, which is good. And I measured it on diode test and I'm getting 0.6 of a volt. But if I measure on the board where the transistor used to be, across there and across there, exactly what I was getting the short before, I'm getting... I was. Oh, something changed. Interesting. There we go. I'm getting the same sort of shorty reading. I was getting 1.5. So that is clearly measuring across a coil or something. So that's good. So that transistor is good. So even though it measured badly in circuit, out of circuit is good. And so that must be part of how the circuitry runs. In fact, we'll probably follow that. So it goes through a resistor to there. Then where does that go? There to that coil, goes around to there, to the big coil. So go to there and then somewhere. Where did that big coil come from? Is it there? I can't see. I don't know. Ooh. Anyway, I'll have a look. So you got to be careful. Even though something measures bad in circuit, it may not be the reason it's failing. And I think I've just found it. So if you look here, can you see there's a crack on that solder joint? And if I wiggle, oh, I don't look at this. Oh. Can I focus it down a little bit? Let's go that. Focus. So I've now moved indoors, and because my inverter's still broken, so I'm using this off the actual mains plug. So hopefully this works and doesn't blow all the electrics in my house. So stand back. Ah, that's an interesting effect, isn't it? Why would it do that? Well, at least it's on. He said it was flashing. Okay, having to think. Let's turn it off. And of course, we've got to remember that these caps could still be live now. So we have to wait for them to discharge. Still thinking. So I've had a little think, and it may be because the load, it was flashing because the load was too low on the output. So this is why I had a bulb in the end of it when I turned it on. So you need a minimum load, otherwise the output floats. Of course, if one bulb wasn't enough, because this originally had in the set, it has 3 bulbs. So I put a second bulb in just to see if that increased the load somewhat. And we'll try again. So hopefully now it doesn't flash. Hey, it works. Look at that. So with 2 bulbs, it's running. Fantastic. So I think we fixed it. Oh, golden days. Right, I shall let the person know this is all working, and I'll turn it off now before I burn a hole in the floor, because these bulbs get hot. And yay, I'm happy now. Right, thanks for watching, and that also is a note, if you've got one of these electronic transformers in your fixtures and your bulbs start flashing, it may just be because your bulbs are blown. So just try changing the bulbs first. So yeah, hope that helps, and if not, I don't know what I'm saying. So I'll see you later. Anyway, goodbye. Bye for now. Bye!